What's the meaning of antiperspirant? Antiperspirant. 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 Antiperspirant.
Antiperspirant is a personal care product that helps to control excessive sweating. It is designed to reduce the amount of sweat that is secreted by the sweat glands and the skin, thus reducing the moisture and odor that can result from sweating. The active ingredients in antiperspirants work by blocking the sweat ducts, which reduces the amount of sweat that can be released from the body. As a result, antiperspirants can help to keep you feeling dry and fresh throughout the day, even during physical activity or in hot weather.